Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve class 9 exercise 6.1 question number 2. In the given figure, line XY and MN intersect at O if angle POY equals to 90 degree and A is to B equals to 2 is to 3, and what we have to find? Angle C. So now we are going to see how easily we can solve this question. Let's see in the diagram first. As already given that angle POY equals to 90 degree, angle POM which is angle A, angle MOX which is angle B, and angle XON which is angle C. Let's see the solution. As already given that A is to B equals to 2 is to 3. So we are going to write A equals to 2x and B equals to 3x. Look, in line XOY, as we already know that sum of angles equals to 180 degree, therefore we are going to apply this. In line XOY, angle XOM plus angle MOP plus angle POY which is equals to 180 degree. How is it? Linear pair. As we already marked that angle XOM which is angle B plus angle MOP which is angle A plus angle POY which is 90 degree equals to 180 degree. Here angle B which is equals to 3x plus angle A 2x plus 90 degree which is equals to 180 degree. 3x plus 2x which is 5x plus 90 we are going to shift that side, therefore which is equals to 90 degree. Therefore x equals to 18 degree. I hope you got this. As we find that x equals to 18 degree, so we are going to put x in angle A and angle B. Therefore angle A which is equals to 2 into x which is equals to 2 into 18 degree equals to 36 degree, and angle B which is equals to 3x which is equals to 3 into 18 degree equals to 54 degree. So we find out angle A and angle B, and in the given question it is given that we have to find angle C. So let's see how we can find that angle C. As we find out angle A equals to 36 degree and angle B equals to 54 degree. Now we are going to take line MON. In line MON, angle MOX plus angle XON which is equals to 180 degree, and we know that MOX which is angle B plus angle XON which is angle C equals to 180 degree, and we already find out as previous one angle B equals to 54 degree plus angle C which is equals to 180 degree. Therefore we are going to shift 54 to that side, therefore angle C which is equals to 180 minus 54 degree which is equals to 136 degree. This is the answer. I hope you all got this. Thank you so much. Next question, question number 3. In the given figure, angle PQR equals to angle PRQ, and what we have to prove that angle PQS equals to angle PRT. As you can see in the figure, it is already given that angle PQR, which is equals to angle PRQ. So we are going to mark this both angle as X, and what we have to prove that angle PQS, which is this, we are going to mark this as angle Y, and angle PRT, which is this, we are going to mark this as Z. So we have to prove that angle Y equals to angle Z. Solution. As you can see in the figure, on the straight line ST, there is two single point. First one is Q. So we already know that on a straight line from a single given point, sum of angles equals to 180 degree. Therefore, we can say that angle Y plus angle X, which is going to 180 degree. In line ST, we can write that angle PQR plus angle PQS, which is going to 180 degree. You know that linear pair. Therefore, we can say that angle PQR, which is equals to 180 degree minus angle PQS. This is equation first. On the straight line, there is another single point which is R. Therefore, the sum of angles on a straight line, which is also going to 180 degree. Therefore, angle X plus angle Z, which is also 180 degree. So we can write that angle PRQ plus angle PRT, which is equals to 180 degree. How it is possible? Linear pair. Therefore, we can say that angle PRQ, which is equals to 180 degree minus angle PRT. I hope this much you got that. As already given in the figure, angle PQR equals to angle PRQ. So we can write that, and given angle PQR, which is equals to angle PRQ. As you can see that in equation first and second, our angle PQR, which is 180 degree minus angle PQS, and PRQ, which is 180 degree minus angle PRT. So from equation 1 and 2, we are going to put this. We can see on next page. Further continue. As already given, angle PQR equals to angle PRQ. So we are going to put our equation first and second in this. Putting equation first and second in third. This is our equation third. Therefore, 180 degree minus angle PQS, which is equals to 180 degree minus angle PRT. Therefore, we are going to shift this 180 degree to that side, minus angle PQS to that side, and this angle PRT to this side. Therefore, angle PRT, which is equals to 180 degree, this 180 degree is going to this side, therefore minus 180 degree, and this minus angle PQS is going to shift that side, therefore this is plus angle PQS. Therefore, angle PRT, which is equals to angle PQS. 180 degree minus 180 degree is going to cancel out, hence this is proved. Angle PRT, which is equals to angle PQS. Hence proved. I hope you got this. Thank you so much.